Okay, hello, welcome to It Figures. I have a quick video today. I just want to show you on how I improved the 1990 Toy Biz Flash. If you remember, the Flash had really stupid action figure feature. If you watch many of my videos, you'll realize that I don't like action features at all, period. Really, I really don't. So what I did was basically I pulled the two screws out of the back, opened up Flash, and then I removed the silly windy toy that's in there. Then once we have that out, I'll go ahead and show you. I ground down with the Dremel tool the things that hold the arms in place, okay? And then I shaved off the stems of the arms, and I just used a drill on this one. I went a little too far, as you can tell, but I'll fill that and touch up so you won't see it. But then I drilled a pilot hole, put in a screw and a washer, and now the washer will hold the arm in place. I had to work on it a little bit to make it hold, tightly, because there wasn't really enough room for the washer, but now there is. Also, as a positive side, it holds it really tightly. So if we let's just put this guy back together, and then all you have to do is put the screws back in. Now there is something I want to do with the head, because as you see there's a little stopper right there. I want to put some other thing in there. That's why he's not screwed back together yet, and why I'm not going to screw him just quite yet and close him up. But hold on, if I can get that in there. You do have to play with it just a little bit. It's not difficult. Sometimes it goes on easier than other times. And there you go. There we go. All right, so once he's together, get the head in. But I want to keep the head, so part of it would like rock back and forth, so it kind of stays in a little down position, which isn't ideal. It's a little too floppy. So before I'm done with him, I'm gonna figure out a way to make his head not do that. But as it is, you end up with a much better figure. It's posable. You can move the arms. Also, I did try heating up the arms and pulled down a little bit because they're too curled, in my opinion. But those are the things that stop this from being an excellent figure and making it just, kind of an okay figure. But with a little bit of home improvements, you can make him much, much better. So it's an improved Flash. But that's where we are right now. I'll maybe do an update video when I fix the head so that you can see. But at least the main offense, which is those arms that just want to run and you really can't do anything with them, at least that part of it has been addressed. So I'm already much, much happier with this figure. So thanks for taking a look. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Take care.